What is going on, guys? Welcome to another crypto video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you guys a very effective way where you could get into coins via pump.fun and make your life super easy, where everything is going to be plug and play. Now, this feature is only available on Bullocks, and basically the way this works is I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to buy one SOL here at 38k market cap. Okay, I do expect this to go down to like 29 around there. So we bought in. And once we bought in, we are going to be able to do the following. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're doing. So we're talking about a brand new feature that's going to let you guys pretty much sleep on this and not have to worry about it selling, about it buying. And that is something called advanced sell. Now, the advanced sell feature works the following way. You're going to be able to either get it from the actual menu right here, or you could go into the pump vision, and via the pump vision, you could actually click advance, and you could just go ahead and do it on the setting tabs. Well, I'm going to show you guys a play that I called. This one's called the Bolt Pump. Basically, the way the Bolt Pump works, this is a brand new strategy that I'm sharing with you guys only here on this channel. And a lot of people charge for this. I don't charge for it. I'm just showing you guys exactly what you want to do. So what this is going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to get into a token. And when you get into this token, what it's going to do, it's going to automatically automate everything for you. And the great thing about this is you could set this up for every single time you buy, it will automatically do it for you, which makes it awesome. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to set a stop loss. So whenever the token drops 20%, it's going to automatically sell 100%. Okay. Of that token, it will automatically sell 100% of it. Or you could actually say, you know what, I want to sell to 75 and leave a little bit in there just in case it goes back up. That's a different strategy. I'm not going to be doing that right now, but there's a different strategy what you want to do. So what we're going to do is whenever, you know, it hits negative 20, we're automatically selling everything right away. Whenever it hits 75%, we want to take 75% of profit. What you could do here is you could do multiple things. Whenever it hits 100, so that means you doubled your profit, right? You're going to take 75%. It's going to instantly pull it away. And whenever it hits 300%, you could say, you know what, I want to take 50% away if it does, because you're already in it. And then you can literally go ahead and add another order and say, whenever it hits 500, I want to take the full 100% of whatever's in there. Okay. Basically what this strategy is going to let you do, it's going to let you have the ability of being able to buy into a pump token and get your initials out with a little bit of profit. It's going to let you leave a little moon bag in there. And if it 5x's or, you know, 3x's, whatever amount you want, it's going to automatically sell for you without you having to worry about anything. You want to make sure you go here and you set the settings. Usually the way I have it is I have 0.01 for the priority fee here. You could literally just go like that, make it a little bit cheaper. And you could do this and make this a little bit cheaper as well to save a little bit of money, because I know some of you guys are not, you know, running with a lot of money. And you just go here and just set save. Now, if you want to make sure you just get in them really fast, which it doesn't really matter, because in pump.fun, you know, being fast, it's only works sometimes. You can just literally go ahead and save that, and then it will automatically do it for you. So right there we have save. Okay, so we saved that. And now we want to make sure that when we select it, it's going to show it. Now, the way you know it's working is if we go to this token that we bought into, this is actually flying. So what you're going to do is, for example, you're going to notice one thing. So I bought right here, right? I'm going to see if this drops down below, but we want to make sure that this little green button says enabled. Now, when I actually bought in here, it wasn't enabled, but you want to make sure that before you buy, you enable it. Okay. So for video purposes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy again now that it's enabled. And we're going to buy here at that 45%. We're going to buy like 0.2 just to buy a little bit more in here. And what that's going to do, it's going to automatically get us into this play. Okay. So you're going to see it. So right now I'm going to show it's disabled. We're going to enable it. Okay. Select. All right. We're going to enable. And okay, select, and now it's automatically enabled. So I would have to disable it if I wanted to. So as you see right now, nothing is appearing. What we're going to do is I kind of wanted to drop to 0.3, but for video purposes, we're going to buy right in here. We're going to buy in there. All right. We bought in, and now that we bought in, the stuff is enabled, as you see right here. Okay. So what exactly is it that we're looking for? So what we're looking for is that whenever it gets to, you know, right here, this percentile, it's going to automatically sell for me. So if it goes down below here, it's going to automatically sell. If it goes above here, it's going to sell, right? That's 80%. So basically, you know, since I bought at 43, it's going to sell. And if it goes all the way over here, it's going to sell. And if it goes all the way to 300K, it's going to sell. So what this is going to allow me to do, it's going to allow me to leave a moon bag if it's going. So as you see right now, this is going, it's going right now. It says order completed. So right now we're pretty much in profit. So we look at our P&L, we're up 25%. We're probably up a little bit more because we bought a little bit lower. And we're going to write this out in this video. We'll see how well this actually does. Okay, so right now this looks like this actually might hit bonding curve and might migrate. So we're in a pretty good token here. So we're already up 1.8%. Now, what I do expect, I expect a dip. I don't expect it to dip this low right here. This is like about 35K, but if it dips below 35K, you could actually, you know, do that. Now, if you see a token like this and you're like, you know what, I don't want to take too much of a loss. I think I want to say, like, if it dips to 40, I want to be, you know, move it up just a little bit. You could theoretically just hit here and it will automatically cancel the order for you guys. So that order is no longer in play. But we're going to see this in full action and you're going to see how this plays out. So this token theoretically could hit 300K, but you know, you guys are watching these live trades and that's why I like to do these live trades. The main thing I like about this particular feature is that it just lets you, it's kind of like a plug and play, right? You just buy in and you just let it ride. Now, not all the time you're going to be profitable. That's why we put that stop loss there, just because in case, if for some reason it automatically dips and the dev sells, then, you know, you're going to be like, oh crap, you know, it's going to sell for you. Now, if for the other reason, if it flies, you're going to be taking a lot of profit and a lot of gains. So we're going to see how well this does right now. It's sitting in pump.fun. It's migrating. I didn't check the TG on this one. You know, we didn't really do too much research when it came to it. It looks like it doesn't have a website. It does have an X account. So let's see what the X account is. Says this account is temporarily restricted. Okay, so I guess there were so two things could be of that temporarily restricted. Could be the fact that they were maybe you know, using it too much or too often. But right now it's migrating. We're gonna see what's up. Okay, so right now we're live on Dex. We're gonna see what happens here. What I do want to do is I want to copy this. I want to go to Dex Screener. And I kind of want to check if they update the Dex Screener here. Let's go ahead and put this right here. So right now there's no results for it. Okay. Let's see. Let's go back here. Let's copy it. Okay. Go back to Dex Screener and here we go. Let's see what's there. No, it's not showing up. Okay, we gotta wait. So right now it's looking pretty good. All right, it's looking pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We're up a couple percent. So you're gonna see this live on action, guys. If this hits 80%. It's gonna sell for us right there, and then once if it hits 180, it's gonna sell for us. So let's write this out. Let's see what it actually does. And I want to showcase how this feature actually works and how awesome it is. The fact that you can literally just kind of sit back and relax and buy the tokens. Now the great thing is that if you enable it, every single time you buy it's going to automatically add these parameters for you guys. This is called the pump boon bag, the bull to pump bag. So basically what this allows you to do is you buy in pump.fun, you leave a little bit of a moon bag, and you know, you kind of let it ride. If it hits 300K, it's just pretty much going to take you out. But the great thing is, you're like, how do I know it might hit a mil, right? So we're going to talk about that strategy. That's going to be another video I'm going to make for you guys. And you could literally select the ones you want. I'm going to make some, like, you know, really degen ones where it's like, bro, it could rug type of thing. But this one's a little bit more of a safer one. So we see how this token is doing right now. It's sitting at 60K. Let's see what it does here. Okay. So it looks like it wants to go up. The great thing about this one is that once it left pump.fun, it actually did not rug, which is a good thing, right? So if I see this has some traction, I might cancel this and say, you know what, I maybe wanted to get a little bit higher and take less of the percentage and just put this one right here, right? So right now, I do want to keep an eye on Dex to see if they are updating the Dex here. Let's see. Okay, there it is. Okay, Merc Rob. All right, let's reset this. Let's put this to 1 second. And so they did update the Dex, which is a good thing. We're going to go back here. So it looks like it's getting some traction here. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this ride out because it looks like it's actually going to be picking up quite a lot of steam here. So Let's see how this plays out, but you guys know the ticker. Let's see how far it actually goes. But that is how you guys set these advanced features. And what's great about these are pretty much plug and play. You could deactivate them, reactivate them. Just if you hit the little X, that will automatically cancel you for that position. And you could actually set limits on that if you guys wanted to. But if you guys want to see more crypto videos like this and want to see daily videos, also recommended coins. And if you don't want to miss out on calls that I personally make that could get you into some really good coins and make a couple X's, make sure you head over to our X account. Link is down below, and follow us there so you guys can know exactly what plays we're calling every single day. No one does it like us, guys. Best alpha channel in the world. Hope you guys are liking this content. If you are doing the huge favor, guys, drop a comment, drop a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.